Everyone is trying to predict the May 9 CET paper, but let me tell you something dangerous. If you blindly follow predictions, you might actually mess up your second attempt because CET has one habit. Just when you think you've understood it, it changes. So, in this video, I'm not just going to tell you what may come, I'll tell you what has been consistent across all slots, what has already started changing, and how you should think for May 9th. Let's first build the attempt 1 memory bank. Across all 5 slots, one pattern was crystal clear. The paper was easy to moderate but lengthy. This was not a tough paper, this was a speed plus stamina paper. Now, section wise, VARC mostly easy and scoring. 4 RCs in most of the slots, heavy on vocab and grammar. Quants easy to moderate, mostly arithmetic plus DI. DI was again easy but time consuming. Logical reasoning, the most important one, 75 questions, mostly singlets. Almost no big puzzles in most slots, but a bit lengthy. And the different types of questions, which we've already told you about in our analysis videos. And also the screen that I'm sharing, there are slot wise analysis on Shiksha, and we've got on MBA Universe as well, and it's there on our website also in the blog section. So if you're interested in the analysis, you can just go and have a read, a quick read that would help you understand how it was in the first attempt. All right, moving on to abstract, very easy, mostly PYQ type questions. Basically, it was free marks. Overall takeaway is that this paper did not test how much you know. It tested how fast you can execute, how fast you can select the right questions, the easier ones, and not get stuck with the tougher ones. Now, here's when it gets interesting. Slot 5 slightly changed things. LR became slightly tougher. Small puzzles came back. VRC vocabulary got slightly tricky. This tells us one thing that CET cell is experimenting. They are not fixed. So if you think paper same ही आएगा, then you are making a big mistake. Now let's answer the big question. How can the May 9 paper be? So my prediction one would be easy but lengthy will continue. This is the strongest trend. Expect high attempts, time pressure, speed game. Prediction two is LR will still dominate, singlets will remain, but ek do puzzles sets can come and slight increase in difficulty possible because slot 5 already hinted that. Prediction 3 is abstract is equal to scoring. Don't overthink this. This is still your rank booster. Prediction 4 is VARC can surprise. Mostly easy, but egg RC vocab section can become a bit tricky. So just to disturb your flow. Prediction 5 is quant can be a trap through time. Not tough, but calculation heavy. Now listen very carefully. Everything I just said can be wrong on May 9th because CET is not at all predictable. They can bring puzzles back, make VARC tough, make quants really lengthy, change pattern completely, and that's exactly why the toppers don't rely on predictions, they rely on adaptability. So don't go into the exam thinking paper ऐसा ही आएगा. Go in thinking जो भी आएगा I'll handle it. Attempt 2 is not about guessing the paper. It's about being ready for any paper. If you get an easy paper, maximize. If you get a tricky paper, stay calm. That's the game. If you found this useful, subscribe because this is the kind of clarity most students don't get. And comment below ready for any paper. Let's see who's actually prepared and not just hoping. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.